and welcome to a very special event today. I'm here with Dan Birkinshaw here with his amazing build in progress. I'm Andy from 6AD. We're in this amazing unit, which is Raj and Jags's at Profusion Customs, and we've had the pleasure of witnessing some automotive history.
Yeah, definitely.
When you say that, Dan?
Yeah, 100%.
Coming back to your car though, look at this.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Nice Porsche 993 RWB that Nakai's done, the 4th in the UK. Pretty ecstatic, I must admit, but yeah.
Yeah, it looks amazing. What's the colour, Dan?
No, I have no idea.
No idea. Okay, it's grey.
It's grey, mate.
It's grey.
50 Shades of Grey. That's what it is, mate. It's fucked.
Yeah, and we've had the pleasure of doing your wheels, of course, and you're sitting in one of them right now.
Am I?
Yeah, you are. You're about to roll off and fall off. But what inspired you to go for this kind of brushed face and brushed dish? Because you were quite clear, weren't you? You wanted that look.
Yeah, I've got a 964 turbo at the moment, and they've got pretty much the exact same spec wheel. But I wanted something unique. I don't like cleaning polished rims, I must admit. I like cleaning rims, but not those ones. You know what I mean? And so I've got to keep on top of these, and these are going to be an absolute nightmare anyway.
Yeah.
So why not keep them a bit easier?
Well, yeah, I mean, they're not the simplest of design.
That's right.
And in fact, Dan's an architect by profession, so he's handy with the old design.
That's right.
And there's a few emails back and forth, right, Dan?
Let's just say that, mate.
Trying to get this design spot on. So what you'll notice about these wheels that is very special is that every layer goes deeper into the wheel, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, on a bit of a three-piece star design.
There's Dave's ice cream van has just showed up to cool us all down because it's a beautiful day today. And so, yeah, the design is phenomenal. Obviously 6AD forged wheels. Looking forward to seeing them on. Wrapped in Nankang CRS.
CRSs, yes. Steve at Nankang provided these for us. So thank you very much, Steve.
Yeah.
And obviously thanks to you guys for helping me out. The process was just phenomenal.
Pleasure.
Really appreciate that.
No, we appreciate the opportunity.
Yeah, it's great.
The build is awesome. The whole day has been awesome.
Yeah.
The whole 2 days have been awesome. And as we're approaching the final few hours, the build is really coming together.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting the wheels on and getting it down, because yesterday me and Nakai lowered the car a little bit, so I am a bit apprehensive of what it's going to be like, but when it gets on the ground, I'm really looking forward to it.
Yeah, I think yesterday you didn't have the skirts and the front splitter on, so I think you'll also have that, giving it that sort of really low look as well, quite aggressive look. So amazing, Dan. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it for coming.
It's been awesome.
Thank you.
See you guys soon.